Battery replacement tutorial for BRICs LCD series. Safety precautions. Make sure to turn off and unplug all equipment from the UPS. Turn off and unplug the UPS from the AC power source, and use only the specified type of battery. Remove the screws on the bottom of the UPS. Press down and slide open the battery cover. Pull out the battery and disconnect the battery connectors. Reconnect the battery connectors to a new battery, then insert the battery into the compartment. Reinstall the battery cover and secure it with screws. Perform a cold start by pressing the UPS power button to complete the battery replacement. Warning: do not open the batteries. Released electrolyte is harmful to the skin and eyes. Do not dispose in fire, as it may explode. Follow all local ordinances regarding the proper disposal of batteries.